Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2014 Mini Cooper. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 134 brake horsepower while still returning up to 60 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 18 and this car's covered just over 28,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the Midnight Black and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got a nice clean interior. The first owner chose over £6,000 worth of factory options. A few features like I mentioned, this car has half leather seats, as well as DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone, as well as cruise control, automatic headlights and wipers and climate control. And finally, on the driver's door card there, you have your electric mirror and front window controls. As we open the tailgate, you have your split folding rear seats there and your parcel shelf. You also have the adjustable floor, which is actually its lowest point at the moment, but you can increase it if you wish. And below that, you've also got some extra storage as well, so that's nice and handy. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the upgraded 16-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you could extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.